Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to this video. We are actually in Florida right now, my daughter and I. It's the first trip that we're doing, just the two of us, and we got here yesterday. It was kind of a hectic beginning of our vacation because my daughter was sick 3 times on the airplane. I think it was mostly because she was tired. Wanna say hi? Say hi?
Say hi.
So yeah, we are staying at the Hillsboro Beach Resort by Casa, and it's a really nice resort. I can maybe do a little room tour afterwards. Yesterday I went to Publix for a little grocery. I stocked a few things so that we can have snacks. I also had an amazing acai bowl. I'm gonna insert it here. That was so good by the pool. Today we are planning on going to the beach. We have a private beach with umbrellas and chairs, so that's really convenient. Other than that, the weather is amazing. I am so proud of myself for doing this trip because it's the first time that I all by myself for many days out of the country. I know it's just USA. Still, it's something that I never did, and that's one thing that I'm doing more and more, and it is to challenge myself to do things that makes me maybe more anxious. This is something that gives me more confidence. Anyway, we are going for breakfast because we have complimentary breakfast as well, so that's an amazing thing with kids. Then we're gonna go and spend the day at the beach and by the pool, and that's the plan for today. So I hope you're all doing really well, and I'm really happy to spend this week with my daughter, but also bring you guys along. I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a room and I'm tour. Filming with my new camera, so I hope everything works well. But yeah, it's a little room, nothing too fancy. We have a king bedroom. This is the window that we have. We don't have a balcony, so that's one thing that I feel like it's sad because you cannot let thing dry outside. The little bathroom, it's really clean, it looks new, and for the fact that we are spending our days by the beach and by the pool, that's pretty much all we need. And as long as it's clean and it's well kept, I think that is all that matters. So let's go to the beach. We went to a restaurant for dinner, and the lady asked me for my IDs, and I just had my driver license, but since it wasn't from the States, she needed my passport, and I have a picture of my passport in my cell phone, but she wanted the physical one, so I couldn't have a glass of wine tonight with my dinner, and like I'm 35. At one point it's fun to be asked for my IDs up until the time where you're on vacation and you cannot get a glass of wine with your dinner, so that was funny. Anyway, we are just chilling a little bit, and we are going to go back to the room a little bit later to watch a movie together, and we're not gonna go to bed too late, and I'm gonna keep reading my book. It's like good at this point. I think I'm like 15% in, so I cannot tell you if it's amazing, but at this point it's good. So this is what we will be doing for the remaining of this Monday evening. I hope you can hear me. It's the last day today that we are here. Yesterday we went and spent the evening at Pompano beach. We had such an amazing time. I can't believe I was anxious about this trip because it's literally been the best thing I could have done with my daughter. I love seeing her and how big she's getting. And so we went and ate at the Pompano Beach house, and then we went and got an ice cream and got home. It was really simple, but such a nice evening. Today we're spending the day by the beach again. That's the only plan that we have. It's the last day, like I said, full day. Tomorrow we're leaving at noon to get back to Montreal, so I'm gonna enjoy the day. I don't know if I had a lot of clips where I talk, but I'm literally trying to enjoy the most of this trip. It's already been like a week since we got back from Florida, and I wanted to do a little recap. Before I left, I honestly was so anxious about doing this trip, and I have been challenging myself to do things that makes me more anxious this year. So for instance, I went to Mexico all by myself as well in the last few months. I feel like my dog always wants to say hi. I have to tell you that at some point I had my ChatGPT open and my boyfriend saw one of the tabs that was called Anxiously Traveling with My Daughter Solo. He kind of made fun of me, but I really was anxious about going there all by myself. I was like, what if she's bored? What if there is something that happens that I'm the only one who can do something about it? But the craziest thing is that after the first hour on the beach, all of this anxiety literally evaporated. She was so happy to be there, and she told me a few times like, Mom, thank you so much for bringing me on this vacation. I love this so much, being with you, along with you, having those moments. And she's only 6 years old. I think that just for that, it was amazing. She was grateful at 6 years old. And she said like, I want us to come back here every year at this exact place because I loved it so much. Best moments for me were like the morning where we were walking on the beach and we were doing cartwheel or like picking up seashells. Also, there were a lot of fish in the sea, and the water was crystal clear, so you could see them. But at some point, every single time that they bumped in my legs, I like jumped, and I was like, oh my god, and it made her laugh so much. And these moments, I'm telling you, these are core memories now. And I really truly believe that if you have the means, and if you have a kid and you're kind of worried of going on a trip with them by yourself, do it. It's worth it. My daughter, she was amazing. I'm so thrilled to see the relationship that we're creating at such a young age, and I cannot wait to see how this relationship evolves. So anyway, I loved this experience. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. I am on the roll. I'm back on YouTube, so that's a good thing. If you've watched my previous vlog, you know that I really want to get back, but I'm so busy and things go by so fast, and that's why I'm doing this closing video like a week after. But anyway, I'm doing it and I love it, and I hope you guys like it too. So I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.